Everything about the mind of the designer. You know, how shall we think? How should we express ourselves? Not just on the paper, but also how to deliver the message, you know, to the world, so then the world can understand it. Yeah, and I mean, basically amazing times. Yeah, 2 years of my life that I dedicated to myself. Yeah, to become more professional, and also to explore really myself and my potential. Yeah, because you really push yourself in that times, and I believe students that study at the moment, they understand that there is lots of challenges. I think there is also recently quite a good push for simplicity, you know, simple form, cleaning things. At least I feel this way, which I appreciate. Yeah, so it's not too much of an addition, it's more of a reduction, which I think it's very much needed in this cluttered world. So my personally, it's sort of a personal regard to the guys. Say, guys, well, you're doing great. Let's keep the good energy, you know, and let's add some new technologies and some new approaches how to design, and just make sure that we make even more awesome stuff.